What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing how to set custom ringtones on the BLU G9. So this is definitely a nice way to customize your phone. It's not too complicated. What you need to do is go into your settings, and then you want to click on sound. Now when you get in here, you can start to check out some of what's available as far as the phone ringtones. There's actually a few cool ones on here, so I'm just going to play a couple of them. Oh yeah, feel that Bollywood vibe right there. All right. We got the canoe right here. Check that out. All right, so a lot of these ringtones are going to be pretty annoying. I'm not going to lie. There are a few good ones in here that you can check out. I kind of like that one right there. But all right, anyways, let's kind of get to the point here. If you want to add a custom tone, you just need to make sure you've got something downloaded on your phone. And of course, I've got at least one song that I'm going to pull up. So you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. You want to click add ringtone, and basically you just got to make sure you have something downloaded. Now I've got this song called Hitmaker in here. It's actually like a just a instrumental, so we're gonna check it out. Oh yeah, we got the Hitmaker going on right here. Let's let it play for just a second. All right, so that's basically it, guys. It's really not that complicated, but I wanted to show this because I think it's important to customize your phone. I love this new BLU phone, by the way. I've been buying a lot of these new BLU phones that have been coming out. They keep getting better and better, but anyways, that's going to be how you guys do it. If you could hit the like and share it on there, I'd definitely appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all later.